Okay, so number 6 is the hairstyles that you created. You will be creating. We started with telling you the protective hairstyles. We said 2-strand twist, we said natural braid, then we said cornrows. Now, yes, for him it's okay because he's a boy, and so we're not looking for anything complicated for him. Now, this is, for instance, a girl, and then you want her hair to be all pretty. She's going to school, she wants to look good. What hairstyles do you put on this hair? Yes, you will add extensions. What you don't want to do is complicate the hairstyle. Lots of people do that. They go and create very detailed, complicated hairstyles, and what happens, especially the Ghana cornrow, when it is done wrongly, it will actually cause damage on the hair. So the hairstyle should be as simple as possible. If you really want your focus to be, you want to grow your natural hair, please, the less complicated the better. Unless you're not really that fussed about it. If you're not fussed about it, you can create amazing hairstyles with your hair, no problem. But we do get people come here with such damaged hair, and then yes, they want to create crazy hairstyles. That's fine. If you've already damaged your hair and you're not bothered anymore, you can do what you like. But if your hair is still very natural, very healthy, don't complicate it with complicated hairstyles. It just starts to destroy your hair. Because when it's time to take out that hair and you start to tangle with that hair and you don't know what you're doing taking it out, like one of the things I've heard from clients a lot is time to take out the hair is one of those really frustrating times for them. So please, for your natural hair's sake, do not complicate the hairstyle.